This how you order. This how you order different seeds from your supplier, Albert Hoover. Let me see something. You go up in here, tell them you need a dead drop, or you can meet up. We're gonna tell them we need a dead drop. Some granddaddy perps. Order number 500. Just gonna order 8 of them. So he gonna let us know when they done. 4 hours. Some soil. Let's grab a soil. We're gonna put that fertilizer on it too. Let's do more jars. Let's do 10 jars. Drop 350 at the shop. Alright, let's go to the spot. We still waiting on Albert. Lace this spot up. Over the soil here. Got some jars too. That's the lab oven, chemistry station. Yeah, things coming together around here. We gonna need to get things automated. What's that? 4 hours. Benji ran out of work. We already got Benji right. Sexy queen. We like 10 joints. Very cheap. So, let me look again. Flu medicine. Chili trash bags. They got Addies. Nah, man, we ain't gonna do that yet. Police holding it down up there. Free money. While I'm out here. Behind a motel office. Okay. That sound like an easy. That sound like an easy pickup. Let's go pick up our package from Albert. Now, if you don't know where you're going, can always go to your phone, check the map. You see the motel office. So right there where the police is at, basically. So what we gonna do is, oh, I didn't pick my money up. That's what we gonna do first. Get my little money. Wait a second. I did get my money. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. It's the chronic. Don't even worry about it. Alright, so the police up here, but let me see. I don't know how I'm gonna. Hopefully they don't look at me. Alright, let's get out of here because that was kind of hot. Now to pay him, I believe I still got the. Ooh, that's the police. So you gotta know which way to maneuver around this camp. To pay him, I think I still got the drop over here. Yep. So we want 360. Just drop that in there. So my debt paid. If I need anything else, we can go ahead and let's go back to the spot. We got too much money. We got too much stuff on us right now. Really ain't much, but yeah, I ain't trying to lose 2,900. So we back at the spot, back at the lab. Safe and sound. So we're gonna end up putting this together with these plants. Boom. So right now, we just gotta store it, and we good.